Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to chrome your nails step by step. Begin by prepping your nails. Remove polish, shape edges, push cuticles, and buff surface until smooth. Apply a thin base coat and cure under an LED lamp for the recommended time. Use a no-wipe gel base for best mirror effect. Pick a chrome powder and a soft applicator to rub until the surface reflects like metal. Start by applying a color or black gel for depth and cure it fully under LED. Use a soft eyeshadow applicator to press chrome powder in small circular motions until you get an even mirror shine. Seal with a no-wipe top coat and cure again to lock the effect. Finish with a glossy top coat for durability and wipe any excess powder around cuticles with a small brush. Work one nail at a time for best results. Keep an eye on common mistakes like overbuffing or using a wet surface that prevents powder adhesion. Use thin product layers and avoid flooding cuticles to ensure even cure and shine. For longevity, recommend gentle hand care, gloves for chores, and reapply top coat every 7 to 10 days. Experiment with holographic or colored chrome powders if you want a unique finish, and always practice on tips before full sets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.